EarthX is the leader in cutting-edge lithium battery technology, providing higher quality alternatives to heavy, outdated lead-acid products. When manufacturers or end users use lithium batteries for aircraft, military, power sport, and custom applications, EarthX is the name they trust. If your experimental aircraft has the engine sized at 540 CI or less and needs a new high-performance battery, EarthX's ETX900VNT is the feature-loaded option that has it all. Like the rest of the ETX100 series, the ETX900VNT specs defy expectations of how much a battery should weigh in proportion to its power. It's designed for an 80-amp alternator maximum and puts out 840 cranking amps of power, but it only weighs 5.4 pounds. As far as performance goes, that's a big deal. The more lightweight an aircraft's parts are, the more effective it'll be in the sky. On top of that, the ETX900VNT meets all DO 347 requirements for a certified battery. It's got built-in thermal runaway containment and venting for in-cabin installation, which is why it's got those tubes coming out of the top. Although this isn't a TSO battery for certified use, you're getting comparably high-level benefits that aren't exactly common for experimental aircraft. When it comes to aircraft batteries, safety is a top priority. Every EarthX battery contains a proprietary battery management system, or BMS, that operates from a circuit board housed on top of the battery to provide an array of safety features with redundancy built in to ensure reliability. If you forgot to turn off your master key, the battery will automatically shut off when approximately 95% of its energy has drained before cell damage has a chance to occur. After that, you've got overcharge protection that kicks in if your regulator fails or your overvoltage protection fails in your plane. Don't forget that if you have an alternator or generator that puts out more than 20 amps, overvoltage protection is going to be required. This feature is activated by voltage readings exceeding 15.2 volts. In these situations, you need to manually take the alternator offline immediately. Your battery might be safe, but electronics are still at risk. The battery blocks excessive voltage coming in, but still allows for the proper voltage levels out to run your equipment. You also get short circuit protection for up to 1,000 amps. If your engine isn't starting and you've been cranking it for a while, excessive cranking protection will be triggered when the battery cells get too hot. The system disconnects for about 90 seconds, giving cells time to cool down before they damage the battery. The BMS's built-in cell balancing technology optimizes performance and power and ensures a longer life for the battery. Finally, the most important safety feature is the fault light indicator. It's an LED display that keeps you posted on the battery's state of charge and state of health. When something happens outside of the normal range, the indicator lights up to let you know that you've got a problem. All you have to do is connect the fault light indicator's pigtail to your navigation system input or wire a 12-volt LED light from the pigtail to the control panel. The ETX900VNT is the Cadillac of batteries. It's a lightweight unit that enhances performance while maximizing safety protections in your experimental aircraft's electrical system. You also get the option of in-cabin installation for efficiency that you just won't see in most alternatives. Available for right around that $550 mark, the ETX900VNT is a great way to make the most out of your time in the sky. For more information on these or any other EarthX products, visit our website at earthxbatteries.com. If you have any questions, you can speak directly to one of our experienced support technicians at 970-674-8884.